Hello everyone, welcome to Catia tutorial. I am RAKESH, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to draw a line in Catia V5 and what are the different types of lines are available in Catia V5 software. The line tool is one of the basic sketching tools in the Sketcher workbench. The general definition of line is the shortest distance between 2 points. As Catia V5 is parametric in nature, it allows user to first draw a line of any length at any angle and then changing it to the desired length and angle. To draw a line, choose the line tool from Profile toolbar. You can see here how to activate line tool in Catia V5 software. Go to the Insert menu, Profile toolbar, Line. This is the procedure to activate line tool in Catia V5 software. Then you can draw the line by using start point and end point. Drawing lines by specifying points in the geometry area. To draw a line by specifying points in the geometry area, choose the line tool from the Profile toolbar. You can select line tool from Profile toolbar. This is the one option. Another one is go to the Insert menu, Profile. The subtool is Line. You will observe that as you move the cursor in the geometry area, the coordinates corresponding to the current location of the cursor are displayed. You can see here where when you are moving the cursor, the coordinates are changed. Here the coordinates are horizontal distance is 5.24, vertical distance is 2.22. On invoking the line tool, you will be prompted to select a point or click to locate the start point of the line. The prompt sequence will be displayed in the current location, current information area of the status bar. You can see the information in status bar. That is, select a point or click to locate the end point. That statement is shown in the status bar. Move the cursor away from the start point. On doing so, a rubber band line will be attached to the cursor. Click anywhere in the area to specify the end point of the line. The orange color of line indicates that it is selected. Now you can click anywhere on the screen to end the selection mode. You will be noticed that the color of the line changes from orange to white. This indicates that it is a standard element. Now drawing lines by using the Sketch Tools toolbar. Lines can also be drawn using Sketch Tools toolbar, which expands when you invoke the line tool. When you invoke the line tool, you can see here this Sketch tool is expanded. It's showing that start point, horizontal, vertical, length, angle. These options are displayed in Sketch tools. Drawing lines by entering the value of the start and end points in the Sketch Tools toolbar. To draw a line using start point and end point values, now invoke the line tool. On doing so, the Sketch Tools toolbar will expand. Already I said that is start point, horizontal, vertical, length, angle. You can enter the start point values in the Sketch toolbar. Now I'm entering. This is the 10. Then click Tab button. This is also 10. Then click Enter. This is the start point. Next you can give the endpoint coordinates. I am giving this is the 100 horizontal tab 50 mm. Then click Enter. On the completion of the line, you will observe that the Sketch Tools toolbar is compressed to its original shape after the line is drawn. The color of the created line is orange. It indicating that it is selected. To end the selection mode, click anywhere in the geometry area. The line will appear green color, which means that it is fully constrained with respect to origin point. For seeing full length, just you can click fit all in the view toolbar. This line start point is start point coordinates 10, 10, end point coordinates 100, 50. Similarly, you can draw a line by specifying the start point and by entering its length and angle values. You can also draw the line by using length and angle values. The positive angular value is measured in counterclockwise direction with respect to horizontal axis, and then negative angular value is measured in clockwise direction with respect to the horizontal axis. This is a procedure to construct a line by entering the values of start point and end points. Now let us discussing about subtools in line toolbar. Move to the insert menu, profile, line. Subtools are infinite line, bitangent line, bisecting line, line normal to curve. Now I am going to explain the first one, drawing infinite lines. To draw an infinite line, invoke the infinite line tool from the line subtoolbar in the profile toolbar. Go to the insert, profile, line. The second one is infinite line. In the sketch toolbar, in the sketch tools toolbar will expand. You can draw a horizontal infinite line, vertical infinite line. Third one is infinite line passing through any 2 points by using this option. For example, I am going to choose first one, horizontal line. By using this option, we can draw the horizontal infinite line. Similarly, by using second option, we can draw the vertical infinite lines. Now again I am going to activate this infinite line. I am choosing third one, line through 2 points. By using 2 points we can draw the infinite lines. This is the procedure to construct infinite lines in Catia V5 software. The next one is third option is bitangent line. A line that is tangent to any two curved entities is called bitangent lines. The curved entities can be circle, ellipse, arc, conic, and spline. To draw a bitangent line, invoke the bitangent line tool from line subtoolbar in the profile toolbar. Now I am choosing bitangent line in the Catia V5 software, that means subtool in line toolbar. Before going to activate this tool, you need to construct curved entities like circle or ellipse or arc or conic or spline. Now I'm going to construct one is circle, another one is ellipse. Now I'm choosing bitangent line in the line subtool. That is second one bitangent lines. Next, select the first curved geometry, that is circle, and then select the second curved geometry, that is ellipse. A line will be drawn between the selected curved elements. Also, the coincidence symbol will be displayed at the endpoints. You can see the coincidence symbol here and here. These are the coincidence constraints. Let us see the next one, that is drawing bisecting lines in Catia. Bisecting line. A bisecting line passes through the intersection of two non-parallel lines such that the angle formed between them is divided equally. For that purpose, I am going to draw two non-parallel lines. This is the line 1 and this is the line 2. Now I am going to invoke bisecting line. Select the first line and then select the second line. A bisecting line of infinite length will be drawn. You can see this orange color is bisecting line for this first line and this second line. The last one is drawing lines normal to a curve. Line normal to curve. To draw a line normal to a curve, invoke the line normal to curve tool from the line sub toolbar in the profile toolbar. You will be prompted to select the curve. Specify the start point of the line anywhere on the periphery of the curve. Now I am going to choose one point on this circle, then draw the line. You will be prompted to specify the other end point of the line. Click to specify the end point. This line is a line, normal to it will be drawn. This is the procedure to construct drawing lines normal to a curve. Let us see the next option, that is drawing center lines. You can draw a center line in Catia V5 using the axis tool. You can invoke the tool from profile toolbar, that is axis. This is the separate tool available in profile toolbar. Generally, this tool is used to create the axis for the revolve features. You can see this option in the for the 3D drawings. To draw an axis, invoke the axis tool from the profile toolbar. Now the sketch tools toolbar will be expand and you will be prompted to specify the start point and end point. Already I have chosen start point, then click end point. This is the procedure to drawing center lines in Catia V5. Axis line, first point and end point. This is the procedure to construct line and subtools in line toolbar, that is line, infinite line, bitangent line, bisecting line, line normal to curve. And finally, we discussed about axis. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.